Now the next topic beta we have to do some applications of thermal expansion of solids in daily life. The first one we are taking construction of a bridge. Now see this figure carefully. What we are having, that here this iron girder is concretely fixed, strongly fixed on this side, but on one side rollers are attached. Why so? Because weather is changing, we are having summers also, we are having winters also, and we know that expansion occurs in heat and they contract when heat is not there, when a cooler environment is there. So that's why we are having what? Rollers. So what happened, that when this bridge expands on heating or contract, there should be no difference on the bridge. It should not affect the pillars of the bridge, it should not affect the bridge. So we are balancing the expansion by using these rollers. Okay, this support of rollers are doing what? They are helping the bridge, so that if there is any rise or decrease, they can manage that. So that's why we are having these rollers there. Next is about railway tracks. Now again see this figure carefully. I hope all of you can see this gap in between. You know, these are the iron rails, a gap is here in between. Why they keep the gap? So that when this expands on heating in hot summer days, it should not affect the movement of the rails. So they keep some distance, they already decided to have some space so that it can easily expand and contract and come back to its original position without disturbing the railway tracks. Next term we are using riveting. Riveting means you are fixing two plates together. Now what we do in riveting, that we have to, can you see here there are two plates? Okay, two plates are here. We are using a screw to join that two plates. You are using the screw to join that two plates. Okay, so when we are trying to join it, it is very red hot, very hot material, steel rod is used, small steel rod, so that it can be easily inserted in that drilling holes. Now when it cool downs, okay, so what happened? See the figure carefully. First of all, we put that red hot screws or plates, you can say, inside it. Then we use hammer, so it is easily to bend that red hot plates with hammer, because it's already like hot material, it is easy to mold it. So on cooling, what it did? On cooling, it join it together. So this is what, because of the expansion of heat, and here we are having contraction because of cooling down of heat. So when you are joining the two plates, first of all we put red hot plate in it, then we use hammer on it to flat down its surface, and when it contracts, it will come back to its original position on cooling. So it joined that part very strongly. So the next one we are having now, electrical cables and telephone wires. There also beta, what they do in electrical cables, obviously that what we want, that it should not break, a proper supply should be there. So in winters what happened, due to contraction, the electric wires are very much tightened up, okay, and electric wires in summers are what? Loosen up. So what they do actually, while putting up the wires between the poles, care is taken that in summers that they are slightly loose, so that they may not break. So they have that much wiring in it, so that it should not break. So they are kept tight so that they cannot sag too much in summer due to expansion. So they are kept very much tight when we are plating it, putting it, and so that in summers thermal expansion occurs, they can loosen down, no breakage, no harm should be there. Next is fitting the steel rim on a horse cart wheel. What they do now, to take that steel rim, they take that steel rim of small dimension. Okay, They take that ring of a small dimension as in comparison to that wooden wheel, then heat it, it expands on heating. After heating, place it on that wooden wheel and it cools, it contracts when it cools, so it tightly fixed on that wheel. Next is glassware used in kitchen. The glasswares which we are used in kitchen is of Pyrex. Thank you very much. Have a great day.